Good afternoon, agent. It's been a long time.
Doctor, I'm in trouble. I've been assigned a mission that involves chasing gangsters from the plains to the mountains, all on a bike. I need some top-tier equipment.
Music to my ears. I have been waiting for this moment. I have designed collections tailored for any challenges. Let me show you my masterpieces. First, Rival Collection is designed for all riders, offering lightweight and moisture-wicking properties with a universally suited cloth fit.
Sounds basic. What's so special about it?
The fabric is made from recycled plastic bottles that I collected.
Would it lose its original functionality?
No, it still ensures excellent moisture transfer and stay comfortable even on the hardest missions. In addition, mesh side panels on the armpits is also for extra ventilation.
Nice. Any other features?
The Raglan type sleeves offers freedom of arm movement. Reflective elements keep you safe in low light conditions. It comes in short sleeve jersey with 4 colorways and long sleeve jersey with 2 colorways.
Not bad, but what if I need something more for intense rides?
Then you need the Napoleon collection. It excels in temperature management and vapor control. The quick-drying fabric and breathable mesh side panels make it perfect for training and fitness riding. It features the hybrid Raglan sleeve for maximum movement. A no neck cut enhances comfort. Wider front elastic hem and silicone print rear hem keep the jersey in place. Reflective elements ensures safety even during stealth missions. We've got 6 colorways in short sleeve jersey and 4 colorways in mid-thermal long sleeve jerseys for tactical news.
Now we are talking. I need something cutting edge.
Bad boy. The Instinct collection. Pro-style race fits with minimalist yet elegant design for those who prefer subtle and monochrome aesthetics.
And the fabric?
Premium Italiano fabric, lightweight, soft, silky smooth for superior comfort.
Is it suitable for close quarters combat?
Absolutely. The hybrid sleeves are crafted for improved movement and elastic stripe mesh for ventilation. Plus, thin-sealed front hands for holding the jersey in place, and also thin-sealed straight rear pockets for concealing weapons.
How many colors?
12 colors in both short sleeve and long sleeve jersey.
Mamma mia. Would you recommend anything for the end?
Super light jacket and nut collection. Stylish, lightweight and functional. High-tech young fabric increases durability. They enhances the conductivity and outdoor fighting. Ideal for long mission.
Does it offer easy access to my gear? Oh.
Of course, a partial rear flap let you access jersey pockets with ease, and a small inner pocket for essentials. It's also easily packable and has reflective elements for visibility.
Doctor, you have outdone yourself. I will take it off. We are trip. Whoa! This mission just got a lot more interesting.
Enjoy your ride, agent. If you have any questions, just call me. I'm your Dr. Jason.